Computer section D, question number 29. Gene expression itself in a cell system as a protein or enzyme. Itself in a cell system as a protein, gene expresses itself. How does an expression of gene occur in a cell system? When does it need to occur? And how the gene expression is regulated in a prokaryotic cell system was studied by the combined effort of Jacques Monod, the biochemist, and the Francois Jacob, the genetist, for their work on lactose metabolism in E. coli. And introducing the concept of lac operant, they were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1965. Okay. Why lac operant said to be a transcriptionally regulated system? एक नंबर का दिया. Why? Lac operant said to be a transcriptionally regulated system. इसके आंसर्स को पहले चेक करते हैं. क्यों? इसके देखो मार्किंग्स में कितना लिखने से तुम्हें एक नंबर मिल जाएगा. ओनली इतना ही लिखना है. In the presence of lactose repressor, protein does not bind to the operator region, जो O region है, and allow RNA polymerase to transcribe the operand. और नहीं तो in the presence of lactose repressor, protein does not bind to the operator region and allow RNA polymerase to transcribe the operand. नहीं तो इसका नेगेटिव वे में लिख सकता हूँ. In the absence of lactose repressor, protein bind to the operator region and prevent RNA polymerase from transcribing the operand. इसलिए क्वेश्चन को देखो, lac operand said to be a transcriptionally regulated system. In the presence of lactose repressor, protein does not bind to the operator region and allow RNA polymerase to transcribe operand. In the absence of lactose repressor, protein bind to the operator region and prevent RNA polymerase from transcribing the operand. बुक का डायग्राम के हिसाब से देखोगे तो उसके बाद दूसरा सेकंड पार्ट था इस क्वेश्चन की. It is said that the lac operand has to be operational at very low level in the bacterial cell all the time. Justify. It is said that the lac operand has to be operational at very low level in the bacterial cell all the time. Justify. इसमें हाफ मार्क्स हैं. इसका मार्किंग में देखो, presence of primerase enzyme coded by the gene Y is required that allows lactose to enter the cell for switching on operand so that lactose enter inside the cell. क्वेश्चन ने पूछा था, it is said that lac operand has to be operational at very low level in the bacterial cell at all the time. Justify. The presence of permease enzyme coded by gene Y is required that allow lactose to enter the cell for switching on the operand. तो operation at very low level in the bacterial cell, because यहाँ पे presence of permease enzyme coded by the gene Y ये required होती है, इसीलिए बोला जा रहा है. Why is the regulator? Next question जो था, why is the regulator gene in lac operand marked as I gene? I stand for inhibitor. The gene transcribe repressor protein which binds to the operator site and switch off the operand. I represent inhibitor. This gene transcribe repressor protein which binds to the operator site and switch off the operand. इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन था, draw a schematic diagram of lac operand in the absence of inducer in the culture medium of bacteria. इसका डायग्राम देखो, इसमें 2 मार्क्स का है डायग्राम, एज इट इज एनसीईआरटी बुक की डायग्राम है। उसमें हाफ मार्क्स देखो, रिप्रेसर वाला हाफ मार्क्स, रिप्रेसर एमआरएनए रिप्रेसर, इसमें हाफ मार्क्स, ये भी लेबलिंग करना था। और ये भी बोलता है इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ इंड्यूसर, मतलब यही वाला डायग्राम होगी। Repressor bind to that is operator region and prevents RNA polymerase from transcribe the operand। और ऑपरेंड का बीच में रखना है तो उसके लिए भी तुम्हें मार्क्स मिल रहा है कि बोले यहाँ पे रखना, ठीक है। तो अभी जो तुम लोग आंसर करके सेंड कर सकते हो, भूमि अभी आंसर कर सकते ना, मैंने स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड से चेक कर दिया। ओके, 1 मिनट बेटा, गायब होगी।